हम साथ चले तो जीतेंगे, हाथ में हाथ चले तो जीतेंगे। जीतेंगे सारे दावे सारे वादे जीतेंगे, जीतेंगे दिल के ये मजबूत इरादे जीतेंगे। जीतेंगे हर मंजर को हर मुश्किल को जीतेंगे, जीतेंगे सबकी नजरें सबके दिल को जीतेंगे। साथ चले तो जीतेंगे, हाथ में हाथ चले तो जीतेंगे। हम साथ चले तो जीतेंगे, हाथ में हाथ चले तो जीतेंगे। दावा है जीतेंगे।
The strengths and weaknesses of employees in order to place right man of right job, to maintain and assess the potential present in a personnel for further growth and development, to provide feedback to employees regarding their performance and related status. It serves as a basis for influencing working habits for the employees, to review and retain the promotional and further training programs. Features and advantages of performance appraisal. Objectives should be clear. Some features of performance appraisal are: objectives should be clear, data should be valid and reliable, performance criteria should be well defined, economical and less time consuming, should initiate follow up. Features of performance appraisal: objectives should be clear, data should be valid and reliable, performance criteria should be well defined, economical and less time consuming, should initiate follow up. Advantages of performance appraisal: promotion, compensation, employee development, selection, validation, communication. Advantages of performance appraisal are: promotion, compensation, employee development, selection, validation, communication. Some advantages of performance appraisal are: promotion, compensation, employee development, selection, validation, communication. Method of performance appraisal: ranking method, traditional method. Methods of performance appraisal are: traditional method, modern method. Method of performance appraisal: traditional method, modern method. Traditional method: ranking method, paid comparison gathering method, forced distribution method, forced choice method. Example of positive statement are: give good and near instruction to the subordinates, can be depended upon the complete any job assigned. A pair of negative statement may be as follow: makes promises beyond his limit to keep this, inclines to favor some employees, check in this method. Critical incident method, graphic rating scale method, SM method, feed review method, confidential method report. Some of traditional method are: ranking method, pair compensation, grading method, forced distribution method, forced choice method, checklist method, critical incident method, graphic rating scale method, easy method, field review method, confidential report. Modern method: management by objective,